Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find and manage sound settings on Oppo Reno 12 FS. So let's open settings and then scroll down to sounds and vibration. And here, let me get you through all of the settings. The first thing we can see is silent mode, which will just silence ringtone and notifications. You can see when I enable it, ringtone and notifications are silenced. The next thing is vibrate on ring. When I disable it, then when my phone isn't silenced, if my ringtone isn't silenced, the phone won't vibrate on calls. The vibrate on silent is vibrating when your ringtone is silenced. So when your ringtone is completely silenced, then you can enable or disable vibrating when calls are getting to you. The next thing is do not disturb. You can enable it to not receive notifications, and you will only receive notifications for alarms, timers and calendar events, and you can make exceptions for some contacts or apps. You can also enable ring for repeated calls, and silencing media when do not disturb is on. And then you can go here to the volume bars. You can adjust various volume bars like media volume, ringtone volume, notifications volume, and alarms volume. Just slide and you will hear a preview of how loud it is. Okay, then you can change a volume button function to make your volume buttons either change media volume or ringtone volume. Then you can adjust ringtone sound, notification tone, or go to more sounds. Then you can adjust sound effects, haptics, and more. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.